Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am with you with class 6 science, sorting material into groups. As we have done most of the chapter in our previous videos, one more thing I just want to tell you, it's not given in NCERT book, but in other books they have considered this, that what are the special means what are some more interesting properties of materials, right? So it is not in the NCERT book, but you should know all these things. So children, I just want to tell this, so be with me, watch my video, subscribe my video, like my video and share it. Okay, so let us come to our point, that is other interesting properties of material. That is number one. In that, number one is conduction of material. Means some materials are there which allow heat to pass through it. Like you have seen kitchen utensils, जो भी आपके घर में जो बर्तन होते हैं जिसमें मम्मा चाय बनाती हैं, that pressure cooker and all that, that if you keep that on gas stove, it becomes hot and then only the food is cooked in that. Okay, means some materials are there which allow heat to pass through it. Okay, so that material which allow heat to pass through it are known as good conductor. Means all the utensils that you are using in the kitchen, okay, for cooking mainly, that are good conductors. Means what we can say, steel, copper, okay, all these things. Okay, now come to the next, that is non-conductor of heat और bad conductor of non-conductor मतलब जो बिल्कुल ही heat को allow नहीं करता pass होने के लिए, right? Like air does not allow, so air is bad conductor of heat. Air does not allow to pass through it. Then wood does not allow. Okay, but one more thing is there, that is bad conductor of heat. Means some materials are there which allow the heat. One more thing here, plastic, melamine, all that is coming under that. Bad conductor of heat. Bad conductor of heat means which does not allow heat to pass through it, but little bit, like we can say little bit. I just want to say that like water, पानी के हाथ होंगे, हम स्विच ऑन करते हैं तो we got shock, that is actually of electricity mainly. लेकिन water also we are not taking under this one category. Non conductors हम नहीं कह सकते water को. As आप गैस पे उसको रखोगे, it becomes little bit hot, और temperature raise करोगे तो it will start boiling and all that is happening to it. So we are considering water into the third category, that is bad conductor of heat. Okay, water, and one more example is there, that is glass. Glass is also, glass means that kaach. Okay, so these are the what? Bad conductors. Means it allows heat very partially. Just this is the difference between these two. Okay, so let us come to the next one. So children, here is one more interesting property of material, that is what? Material can be magnetic or non-magnetic. What is magnetic? Okay, let me show you one thing. So children, I am having this magnetic material with me. It is containing magnet. Okay, it is having magnet in it. See, okay, means what? Magnet attract what? Other material. Now what is that other material? See, I just keep this magnet, bring this magnet near this scale. is it attract the scale? It is made up of what? Plastic. Means there are some material to which this magnet attracts. Okay, it is not attracting this. Okay, then after, let's see this one, this iron bearing one thing I am having. So see this, it is of iron. Now see. Okay, is it clear? Means there are some material which are getting attracted with the magnet. Okay, mainly that are made up of iron, nickel. Okay, so what you have observed, see, of plastic, if I am bringing this plastic near this magnet, it will not attract this. That means on the basis of magnet, we can classify the material into two categories. One is magnetic, one is non-magnetic. You have seen this one. This is getting attracted. That means it is made of iron. It is made of iron. Iron is attracted by magnet. That means material which are attracted by the magnet, they are known as what? Magnetic materials. These are mainly made up of iron, right? And one more thing, wood. This wood, see, this is wood, and I'm just bringing both of them near to each other. It is attracting? No. Means non-magnetic material. Just now I shown you what? This one, wood. Then what? Plastic. Okay. Then steel. If you will see steel, see, it is also not getting attracted. If that is stainless steel, तो वो कभी भी magnet से attract नहीं होगा. Okay. And see, it is copper bottle. If I just see, it is also not getting attracted. Means what we can say that is okay. And one more is there, nickel. Nickel, so I just don't find it over here. Nickel is also the metal which is getting attracted. So we can categorize the material into two types on the basis of getting attracted by a magnet, right? Okay, now come to the next property, that is, so children, now I am with the third interesting property of material, that is what? Conductors of electricity. Now see, some materials are there which conduct electricity. मतलब वो अलाउ करता है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को फ्लो करने के लिए. ओके, आपके घर में लाइट आ रही है, दैट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वायर्स विच आर कनेक्टेड टू द स्विचेस. ओके, दैट वायर इज कंटेनिंग व्हाट? ऊपर उसके देखोगे तो क्या होता है? एक रबर, दैट रबर कवरिंग इज देयर, एंड इनसाइड इज that metal wire. So that wire is conducting, is flowing electricity through it, right? So material that allow electricity to pass through it are known as what? Conductors. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Conductors कहते हैं, और good conductors, right? इनको हम conductors कहते हैं और what? Good conductors भी कहते हैं, right? Like if that metal, firstly I told you कि wires are mainly made up of what? Metals. So what are the examples of this? Metals. All the metals are what? Good conductors. All the metals are good conductors. One more thing, आप पानी वाले हाथ से स्विच को छूते हो, you are getting shock. Reason is water is also the material that is conducting electricity. electricity. Okay, so water is also behaving as a conductor. Okay children, आप इसके बारे में और डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे इन फर्दर क्लासेस. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द बेसिक ऑफ दिस. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, सम मटेरियल्स आर देयर which does not. आप स्विच को हाथ लगाते हैं, आपको तो शॉक नहीं लगता. रीजन इज दैट मटेरियल इज मेड अप ऑफ that type of material which do not conduct electricity, जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को पास होने नहीं देता है. ओके, तो material which does not allow electricity, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? that are known as what? that are known as which? that are known as bad conductors or what we can say, insulators. Okay children, insulators. insulator में क्या हो जाएगा? rubber. बोलते हैं ना, कभी भी आप दैट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का कुछ भी आप वर्क करते हो, स्विच भी ऑन करते हो, यू शुड हैव स्लीपर्स इन योर foot. Okay, what is that? That is made up of rubber. Okay, one more thing, wood. Wood is also a bad conductor. Okay, or insulator. Then many more things. You just this is your that task. Just find out आपके घर में कितने conductors हैं, कितने non-conductors हैं. Okay, so you just find out. This is your task. And one more thing that I just want to tell you, we have read about the main properties of material. आपने पढ़ लिया. Then after I told you some interesting properties, that is conductors of heat, that is magnetic and non-magnetic material, and third is conductors of electricity. On these bases also we can classify the materials, right? Okay, now next is, see children, the very important question arises here is how are materials grouped? आप materials को, you have read about the properties of material. All the properties of material I just told you. Now the question is, how are material grouped? Materials grouped. How we can group it? See, things which are similar in one or more ways, जो एक तरीके से या उससे ज्यादा तरीके से एक जैसे होते हैं. ओके, दैट आर कमिंग अंडर व्हाट? दैट कैन बी ग्रुप टुगेदर. लाइक you are wearing what? Clothes. In clothes, what we are considering? Trousers, shirts, t-shirts, frock, all these things we are keeping in one group, that is what? Clothes, right? Second is what? Food items. सारे तरह के खाने, rice, pulses, all things, whatever we eat, we are keeping under food item. Then after we again categorize it. Then is human beings. Human beings को भी हम categorize कर लेते हैं, yes, male or female. Generally, we are doing this. So, how are materials grouped? Materials are grouped on the basis of its similarity in one or more ways. Okay, now next thing, so children, now we are just concluding it, sorting material into groups. In this, the very important thing is what we have done, we are grouping the things with the similar properties. जो एक तरह की property वाले, we are keeping that in one group. And that grouping of different items which are having different similar properties, that is known as classification, right? So what is classification? Classification is grouping things with similar properties. Now classification into different groups. Why we are doing sorting or classification? What is the importance of it? What are the advantages of it? That is most important question. So for two things we are doing this. Firstly, makes it easier to work with them. Okay, it will make easier to work with them. And second thing is, help us to learn more properties easily. एक ही तरह अगर हम ग्रुप्स को सीधा कंसिडर कर लेंगे हमें उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज का पता चल जाएगा, और ज्यादा प्रॉपर्टीज वी कैन फाइंड आउट. सो इन दिस वे we have read all about sorting materials into groups. So children, I think you must like the video. So subscribe my channel, share my channel, and like my channel. Please press the like button also, as well as share it as much as it is possible. Thank you, Evan, and have a nice day. One more thing, just press the bell icon so that you can get the updated videos in time. Okay, मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.